Another night. The cold always wins. There is nothing left out here.
I'm sorry, little one.
This place, it won't be here much longer.
He saved me from the cold. But something colder is coming for him. How can I save this place? They weren't just thieves. They were artists. They were a workforce. And I had a business plan.
This is brilliant. I want to place an order for 500 of these immediately.
These feline fortune sachets are exquisite. I'll take 3.
Thank you very much. They are selling fast today.
I didn't just find a home. I built one. Out of nothing.
Turns out, hope is good business.
You really thought you belonged here, Leo? You're nothing but trash.
Look what the gutter washed up.
He smells like wet garbage.
Look at him. Worthless. Just a dirty alley rat.
More than this.
There you go. Keep the change.
They weren't selling ice cream. They were selling happiness.
Would you like to try some? Yummy!
Here is your sherbet. Enjoy the rest of your day.
I wasn't just selling sherbet. I was building a new life.
Hello, Rex. There's enough here for everyone now. Why don't you join me?
We saw your business.
It's very successful.
Leo. I'm sorry. We were wrong.
Me anymore. I finally knew my own worth.
見到大聲，要轉看見亂看，沒理解。